Welcome back to Homemade Cooking. Today you are going to learn how to make the red carpet smoothie. For a perfect smoothie, you only need 3 ingredients: a banana, a lemon or a lime, and whatever type of fruit you want to put on top of that. So for this, I use strawberries, or you can use pineapple. Some people use mangoes, but you only need 3 fruits, and you do not need water. Fruit is designed to hydrate you on its own. There's the lime, isn't it beautiful? I also use some of the rind in there, but I'll show you that. So obviously you want to cut up your fruit. Chop up your banana, slice your lime. You're not going to put the whole lime in there, so don't do that. And then cut up your strawberries. I don't like the little tops of the strawberries. I know people say that's wasteful. Well, baby, I'm wasteful. But you know what else I am? Skinny. So now you're gonna add your fruit, strawberries into your blender, then your bananas, then you're gonna squeeze your lime juice in there, and then you're going to shred a little bit of the lime skin, or grate, whatever you wanna call it. Not too much, because it's really, really strong, but just a little bit onto the top of it. Now you're gonna add your secret ingredient. It's pine pollen powder or pine cone powder. This stuff is something I use to boost my metabolism and it aided in my weight loss. It increases vitality and stamina and makes you really, really frisky. Blend all your ingredients. No water. Do not add water. Drink it on the side. Put it up your butt. Don't fucking drink it. Don't put it up your butt. Now, obviously, because we have class, we have our fanciest of glasses. So pour your smoothie in there, and that was it. Simple. Enjoy. Spill a little bit of it because you're a diamond, and now you can enjoy it. Thank you for watching. Stay skinny.